Hello everyone, this is Harish from Agriculture Department. My friends are here to talk about life after COVID-19.
Evening all, I am Ilakya A from Agriculture Department.
To one and all, I am Amrita from BE Agriculture Engineering.
Good evening all, this is Kirtika from Agriculture Department.
Good evening all, this is Kavanala from Department of Agriculture Engineering, here to discuss on topic life after COVID-19.
Good evening everyone, this is Megavati from Agri Department, here to talk about life after COVID-19.
Hi, I am Chitrapriya from Agriculture Department. So I'm here to discuss about or share some points about life after the COVID-19.
This is Kavipriya from Agriculture Department. Today we will discuss about life after COVID-19.
Good evening all, I am Arvind from Agriculture Department. Now we discuss about life after COVID-19.
Life after COVID-19 is going to be a very difficult task according to me. Why? Because COVID-19 caused an impact that socializing is a great offense. So people will not be socializing. Right from the day one of lockdown, people started treating their own relatives as their enemies if they cough or sneeze, and that is what it is all going to bring about, and it is all going to divide ourselves.
The world has not experienced a pandemic like this for over a century. COVID-19 was originated in China and in Wuhan city. And the life after the COVID-19 is India's economy is estimated to grow between 0 to 1.9% in 2020 and 21. If the lockdown in a critical commercial hub like Mumbai, Bangalore and China does not end soon, Chennai does not end soon, export will suffer a continuous fall. However, once the vaccines of COVID-19 is found, many sectors are in disagree today. Aviation, hospitality, entertainment, sports and tourism will return to a good health. Already the most severely affected countries in Europe are beginning to erase their lockdown. Germany, which has the lowest fatalities to any major Western economy, is like to recover a faster. And America will place a greater restriction to a Chinese companies like Huawei and ByteDance, owner of TikTok. The US government believes both films could be a toss-on for spyware apps. Toss-on believes that these Chinese apps are spy apps to their countries, so they are banning the apps nowadays. In India, our country was attempting to block a Chinese companies for investing in Indian films without first obtaining government clearance. As upset being India, of course, must blink in evolving a geo-political contest. India could play the third angle in emerging triangle of a power. In my point is this is a correct opportunity to India to take high economical growth for the world. India must increase their economy during this time by accepting the opponent companies to invest in India. India must, as the lockdown is gradually lifted, quickly establish the exports of originated manufacturing capabilities. A once in a century pandemic can create a rare opportunity. It is India to seize.
My personal opinion is that even after being recovered from the COVID-19, it's mandatory to save our life and others' life by continuing the preventive measures like social distancing, wearing masks and washing our hands and everything with the sanitizers often.
People learned to live with the bare essentials during the lockdown. Healthy home-cooked meals replaced junk foods. As pollution level went down and nature flourished, people realized the necessity of sustainable lifestyle for the health of the planet.
After Corona, life after lockdown is like, there is a saying for this. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. So that is how it is gonna be in future after COVID gets over. So we should look for the improvement, we should look for the betterment. So let's be ready to focus everything which we gonna face after the post lockdown and post corona.
Afterlife of the COVID-19 will never be the same as it was in the earlier parts. Sure, there will be more changes, not only in the industrialization, even in the school, colleges, or in the society. So nowadays urban farming has been gone viral. It has been a trendy thing. So from this lockdown pandemic situation, people have learned how to grow the healthy vegetables and also how to live happy and healthy. So I'm sure that they would continue this even after the COVID-19. And also most of the peoples in the earlier parts likes to stay in the apartments or in the buildings. From this pandemic situation, they have learned to live in the individual villas or house or their own houses. So this will also plays a major role.
Today's topic: live after corona. So social distancing measures are in place. People are getting used to wearing face masks from medical shop. It makes sense. Make digital anything that's not efficient in real life seems possible. Going back to normal, super healthy. We must be super clean, careful, avoid group. Glad you recover, blessing.
People are going to suffer both emotionally, mentally, and economically also. So this is not going to be a very easy task. And after a pandemic, people will find ways to earn money and they'll show less interest towards their family. So far they could have spent time with families, but still after COVID-19 it will be very much less and the stress and everything will be high according to me. So it's going to be very difficult task according to me.
Also changes in the hospitalization, like they have developed many type of treatments and also it has and also people have learned how to overcome. So this kind of situation will not be there after COVID-19.
Learn to have a sustainable lifestyle, so post COVID lockdown. So the protection of the earth and the next generation is going to drive a majority of life choices. Thank you.
Cases are not yet confirmed, but it's not like they won't get re-affected again. So I suggest you to take a healthy food and avoid taking much of soft drinks and fast food, etc. Thank you.
COVID-19 emerged as a game changer in our society and also in my life. Nobody knows what's the future of humanity after the COVID-19 pandemic. But it is certain that the climate and the environment in Earth will get benefited. Work from home culture became trend after the COVID-19 pandemic. Mass retrenchment leads to unemployment. There is no doubt where the petrol and diesel price will get to peak in economic. Thanks for this opportunity. Mostly I covered my valuable time.